Hi friends, welcome once again on my channel Nursing Basic Educations. This is Afrin and today we'll discuss about MRI. What is MRI? Why MRI is used? Durations of MRI? What have to do before the procedures of MRI? Is MRI harmful or not? And side effect of MRI? There are lots of questions in your mind. Then we will start the video. First, what is MRI? MRI means magnetic resonance imaging. Is a medical imaging techniques used in radiology to form a pictures of the anatomy and the physiological process of body. The first thing which we have to know, who is the father of MRI? Father of MRI is Raymond Damadian. And next question will be why MRI is used. It is a non-invasive diagnostic test. This test can help diagnose tumors, strokes and disc herniations, liver swelling, traumatic brain injury, developmental anomalies, multiple sclerosis, dementia, infections and cause of headache. And next one is the durations of MRI. A magnetic resonance imaging is a painless procedure that lasts 15 to 90 minutes depending on the size of the area being scanned. Now, what have to do before the procedures of MRI? You have to tell the technologist if you have any devices or metals in your body. Now, next question is MRI harmful or not? The magnetic field is not harmful, but it may cause some medical devices to malfunctions. Most orthopedic implants pose no risk, but you should always tell the technologist if you have any devices or metal in your body. Now, since MRI machines creates a strong magnetic field around you and radio waves are directed your body. So what happens during MRI? During MRI, the internal parts of the magnet produces repetitive tapping, thumping and other noises. Now next question will put up what happens on the day of your MRI scan. You should be able to eat, drink and take any medications as usual unless you are advised other. While in some cases you may be asked not to eat or drink anything for up to 4 hours before the scan, and sometimes you may be asked to drink a fairly amount of water. Next one is we will discuss about what are the side effects of an MRI. The magnetic fields that change with time create loud knocking noises which may harm hearing if adequate ear protections is not used. They may also cause peripheral muscles or nerve stimulations that may feel like a twitching sensations. The radio frequency energy used during the MRI scan could lead to heating of the body. Now, how to prepare for an MRI patients? You don't need to prepare for an MRI unless otherwise instructed. I have already mentioned before, eat normally before the procedure. If you take medications, continue to do so. Once checked in, you will likely change into a gown and robe. Remove all the accessories such as your watch, jewelry and hair pins, etc. Now the next question is how does an MRI create a magnetic field? As you know, in our body 20% of water is present and each water molecules has 2 hydrogen nuclei or protons. MRI takes advantage of the high prevalence of hydrogen of the protons in hydrogen atoms, and hydrogen atoms induce a small magnetic field due to the spin of this atom's proton. So this is the way to MRI creates magnetic field. Now, how strong is the magnetic field is an MRI? If I talk about magnet, so magnet is an MRI system is rated using a unit of measures known as the Tesla. Another unit of measures commonly used with magnets is a Gauss. In 1 Tesla is equal to 10,000 Gauss, and the magnets in use today in MRI are in the 0.5 Tesla to 3.0 Tesla. If 0.5 Tesla to 3.0 Tesla is converted into the Gauss, there is 5,000 to 30,000 Gauss. And for today it's adequate. I'll see you in next videos. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.